So in question 1, we're given this inequality and we need to write down all the possible values of n. Key thing is that n is an integer, i.e. it's a whole number. First thing I would do is think of the number line for the range given. We look at that. N is allowed to equal -2. It could be -1 or 0 or 1 or 2, but it could not equal 3. It has to be less than 3. Our answer is therefore -1, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Here we are showing the inequality x is greater than -3. First thing, locate -3 on the number line, put a circle above it. We're not going to colour the circle in because it is greater than, not greater than or equal to. We want to go above this, so we draw the arrow going up that way. Next part, we're given this inequality. Y is between 1 and 5. It's greater than or equal to 1. It's less than 5. Again, I would think of my number line here. It's greater than or equal to 1. It's allowed to equal 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not allowed to equal 5. So those are my solutions. Those are my answers. Part C, we need to solve this inequality. Solve it as you would an equation, but make sure you keep that inequality sign as it is. First thing is we're going to subtract 7 from both sides, which gives us 4t less than or equal to 12. Then divide both sides by 4. We'll get t is less than or equal to 3. Question 3, inequality shown on this number line. We are going less than 2 and we are not equal to 2. So x is less than 2. We must have that x in there. X can take any of those values. Question 4. There isn't a question in part A, it's just giving us the information. Part B is asking for the possible values of n. Again, think of a number line. It's not allowed to equal -1. It is an integer, a whole number. It is allowed to equal 0, 1, 2 or 3. Solving this inequality, I'm going to add 5 to both sides to give 2x greater than 13, then divide by 2. X is greater than 13 over 2, or we could write x is greater than 6.5, either of those answers.